In this video, I will explain how to fix the Ethernet connected but no internet access problem in Windows 11. If your PC shows it's connected to the Ethernet, but there's no internet access, then follow the steps I'm going to show you. But before starting, remove the Ethernet cable from your PC, wait for a few seconds, then plug it back in. See if that solves the issue. If it doesn't, let's start with the first method. Go to the search bar at the bottom of your screen. Type Troubleshoot Settings. Click on it from the results. Scroll down and click on Other Troubleshooters. Here you will see Internet Connections. Click the Run button next to it. This will check for common network problems and might give you suggestions to fix them. Follow the steps it shows. If it doesn't fix the issue, go to the next method. Right-click on the Start menu and choose Settings. Click on Network and Internet, then click on Ethernet. You will see the name of your Ethernet connection. Click on it. Set the network profile to private. Scroll down and if metered connection is turned on, turn it off. Once done, close the window and check the connection again. If it's still not working, let's change the DNS server address. Go to the search bar again, type ncpa.cpl. Click on it from the search results. A window will open showing all your network connections. Find the one that says Ethernet. Right-click on it and choose Properties. In the list, find Internet Protocol version 4. Double-click on it. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. In the preferred DNS, type 8888. In the alternate DNS, type 8844. Click OK. Then click OK again. Now, right-click on your Ethernet connection. Click Disable. Wait a few seconds, right-click again and click Enable. See if this helps. If not, we'll try resetting the network. Open Settings again. Click on Network and Internet. Scroll to the bottom and click on Advanced Network Settings. Then click on Network Reset. On the next screen, click Reset Now. Your PC will restart after this. Check your internet after the restart. If the issue is still there, let's update the network adapter. Right-click on the Start menu. Click on Device Manager. Expand the section that says Network Adapters. Look for your Ethernet adapter. You can identify it by the name. Realtek is common. Right-click on it and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. If it finds an update, it will install it. If the best driver is already installed, you will see that message. If it still doesn't work, right-click again and choose Uninstall Device. Confirm the uninstall. After that, go to the top and click on Action. Then click Scan for hardware changes. This will reinstall the network adapter. Once done, restart your PC and check the internet again. These steps usually solve the problem of Ethernet connected but no internet access in Windows 11. Try them in order and your issue should be fixed. Thanks for watching.